Now to drive the point home, let's take the cash flows of Tesla. They are in millions and we are taking 9 months period, 30th September 2022 and the last year, 30th September 2021. Like we said, we start from operating profits. Where will we get the operating profits? We will take the consolidated statement of operations. 22, we see the operating profits here, income from operations, that is around 97, that is $9.75 billion. And in previous year, $3.910 billion. We put those figures here. How we calculate the tax rate? Very simple. We take first of all the net profit, that is income before income taxes. We take the profit, we take the taxes, and we got the net profit after tax. So we calculate through these the tax rate. The tax rate is 8.80% and 10.98%. And according to applying these tax rates on operating profits, we get our income tax and we get operating profits after taxes. Now next thing, very simple, we take non-cash expenses. Now the non-cash expenses, we go to statement of cash flows. We take depreciation, stock-based compensation, inventory purchase commitment write-downs, foreign currency translation, net unrealized loss, non-cash interest and the operating activity, digital assets, loss or gain or net. You know what is the digital assets? Investment of Tesla in Bitcoin. Cool, right? So these things have been added back. In the previous year, it was 3948. So it's around, so it's $4.2 billion and this is $3.9 billion. And after that, we take CAPEX. In CAPEX, we go to investing activities and we can see here purchase of property equipment, purchase of solar energy systems, purchase of digital assets. Absolutely not. These are basically Bitcoins. Proceeds from sale, Bitcoins, purchase of intangible assets. That is an investment. That's an IP. Marketable securities is not an investment. So we take very simple. We take purchase of property equipment. We take this and this. This will be added here. These are our purchase of property and equipment. Since Tesla is inherently both a car company and a software company, purchase of IP, purchase of any intangible asset or an IP is part of its capital acquisition. So we get net capex of around $1.03 billion. In the last year, it was around $752 million. Then we take a very simple thing. We take changes in non-cash working capital. And how do we calculate that? It's the most easiest thing to do. We go to the cash flows from operating activities. We take all these changes in operating assets and liabilities. All these changes. We just put the figures minus 426, minus 4492, everything as it is negative or positive, and we get the negative figure of $1.7 billion and $337 million. And we get very simple a free cash flow to firm. See, this is how easy it is to understand cash flows if you know how to look and where to look.